What's poppin', chef? In this video I'll be showing you how to save your presets on FL Studio. Now right here I made a plug in Citrus, and so far it has no sounds, no effects added to it. So I'm gonna play you what it sounds like so far. Now, I'm gonna add some effects, right? So I'm gonna link it to the mixer board. And I'm gonna add a EQ, because why not? Cut off the low end. I'm gonna add a phaser. I kinda like that effect. Let me increase the depth a little bit. Add some chorus. Where's Fruity Chorus? Add some reverb. Now, just add a little delay. Cut off frequency. Now it has some pizzazz to it versus it dry. Now for the effects. Let's save it now. So you go to File, you right click, go to File, you go to Save Mixer Tracks, and you're gonna call this, this is called Catnip. I'm gonna call it Catnip Pluck. Now, if I want to like have multiple catnip plucks, I can just go to the next track, right click, go to File, and go to the catnip pluck, and voila. Same exact channel rack. Plugin chain, not channel rack. Now that we have that, let's say you made a sound or you wanna use the sound that I created. You can also save this as a preset. So what you do, you hit this little icon right here, the down arrow. You're gonna save preset as, and you can save it as a catnip ID, catnip pluck. And now if I open another instance of Citrus and I go to presets, you can click ID catnip pluck, and voila. And since we made another channel for the effects, you can just have this one, have two of them going. So this is the first one. And now I'm just gonna put some random notes. Maybe make a little harp of it. But you get the point. Give you guys everything I just did in this video. I'm put the link in the description so you can play around with it as well. And let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.